Guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Motorola G54. So if you can't find your Bluetooth accessory, always start from the simplest way, so switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. It's obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. You have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated pair mode, and how to activate pair mode you will find the manual to your device, or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone. Let's open the system in the settings and go to the reset options, select the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, tap the reset settings and tap this button again. In the next step you can also try to update your system, so we have to open the settings like before and go to the system updates. If you have any, just click on the check for updates. If you have any, just install it and check for your device again. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.